Improve your English fluency with fun daily chats. The magic of daily chats. Uma's adventure. Imagine this. You're standing in a crowded Mumbai street market, surrounded by vendors calling out, tourists bargaining, and friends laughing loudly in English. You want to join the excitement, ask for directions, haggle for that beautiful scarf, or chat with a new traveler. But the words tangle in your mouth, your palms sweat, your thoughts race in Hindi, and you end up smiling awkwardly and walking away. Does this feel like you? This was exactly Uma's world just 1 year ago. Uma was a 24-year-old graphic designer from Pune, India. She had landed her dream job at a creative agency in Mumbai. She knew English well from college, perfect essays, high exam scores, long vocabulary lists. But real spoken English? It terrified her. In client meetings, she'd prepare scripts in her head, but stumble when questions came. At team outings, she'd listen quietly while jokes flew around her. I practice so much alone, Uma thought, but why can't I speak fluently with people? One humid Friday evening, after a tough day where she misunderstood a client's feedback and gave a weak response, Uma slumped on her bed in her shared flat, feeling defeated. She grabbed her phone and scrolled through language learning recommendations. That's when a vibrant ad caught her eye, an app called Daily Chat Club. The headline shouted, "Improve your English fluency with fun daily chats." It promised 0 textbooks, no strict rules, just casual, enjoyable talks with friendly people worldwide, filled with stories, giggles, and 0 judgment. Excited but nervous, Uma downloaded it and signed up instantly. Her first chat was scheduled for that same night, a relaxed group called Share Your Weekend Vibes. Uma's heart pounded as she tapped Join. On the screen appeared 7 smiling faces. Raj from Canada, originally from Kerala, Sophie from France, learning Bollywood dances, Diego from Mexico, who loved cricket, and others from the Philippines, Germany, and South Korea. The host, a warm teacher named Emma, kicked off with a simple warm-up. "Hello everyone, I'm Emma. Let's introduce ourselves and share one thing we're excited about this weekend. Uma, welcome. You go first." Uma swallowed hard. "Hi, everyone. I'm Uma from India. This weekend, I'm excited to try street food again. Last time, I ate too much pani puri and my stomach was dancing all night." The group exploded in laughter, kind, welcoming laughter. Sophie shared her failed attempt at making masala chai. Diego talked about burning his tongue on spicy vada pav. Suddenly, Uma was grinning, adding more. "It was like fireworks in my mouth, but the next day, not so fun." They chatted for 45 minutes non-stop. Emma gently helped. "Uma, that's hilarious. Instead of, 'my stomach was dancing,' you could say, 'I had a tummy upset, but your way is more fun.'" Uma repeated it, and it stuck. That night, Uma slept with a smile. The next morning, she joined a quick good morning chat about daily routines. She described her commute on the local train and learned about rush hour in Seoul and Paris metros. Laughter flowed as everyone compared crazy train stories. Soon, daily chats became Uma's favorite habit. Mornings, 20-minute coffee and plan sessions to talk about the day ahead. Afternoons, fun themes like favorite Bollywood songs or dream jobs. Evenings, storytelling circles, sharing family traditions, travel mishaps, or what-if scenarios. In the beginning, Uma mixed tenses a lot. "Yesterday I go to market," or confused much and many. But in the club, errors were no big deal. "We all do that," Emma said. Friends corrected kindly. "Try, 'I went to the market yesterday, Uma. It sounds smoother.'" One unforgettable chat was "If you won a lottery." Uma dreamed big. I'd travel to Switzerland, eat chocolate every day, and open an art studio for kids. She practiced describing mountains and lakes vividly. The group applauded her imagination, boosting her confidence sky high. Bit by bit, magic happened in real life. At work, during a cafe break, a colleague asked, "Uma, what's your favorite festival?" Instead of a short Diwali, Uma dove in. "Oh, Diwali is amazing. We light diyas everywhere, burst crackers, well, now eco-friendly ones, and eat so many sweets. Last year, my mom made 10 types of laddus." The team listened eagerly, asked about recipes, and chatted for half an hour. Uma thought, "I'm actually leading the conversation." Of course, there were bumps. 3 months in, Uma felt stuck. Same topics, busy deadlines. She missed chats and noticed her old hesitation returning. At a client pitch, she froze on a simple question. Upset, she messaged Emma, "I'm not improving anymore. What should I do?" Emma advised, "Bring chats into your daily life. Describe your designs in English to yourself. Record voice notes narrating your day. Find a chat partner for private talks. Join our intermediate debates or role plays." Uma followed every tip. She started self-chats while sketching, explaining her ideas aloud. She paired with Sophie for weekly duo sessions. They role-played everything: job interviews, ordering coffee, complaining about weather, even pretending to be Bollywood stars in interviews. One hilarious session, they imagined launching a fashion brand together. "Our collection would mix Indian saris with French elegance," Uma exclaimed. Sophie added dramatic runway walks. They brainstormed names, colors, celebrity endorsements, all in flowing English. 9 months later, Uma's growth was unbelievable. At the agency year-end party, she was cracking jokes, sharing stories, and even teaching colleagues simple Marathi phrases. She nailed a major client presentation, handling tough questions smoothly. Her manager said, "Uma, your confidence and communication have skyrocketed. Clients love working with you now." Uma beamed. "It's because of fun daily chats. No stress, just real talking and laughing." Today, 1 year on, Uma helps host sessions in Daily Chat Club, welcoming nervous newcomers. She always starts with, "Fluency isn't perfection, it's connection. Don't fear mistakes. They make the best stories. Let's chat." That's the secret. Fun daily chats turned Uma's silence into sparkling fluency. Small talks became lifelong skills. Hesitation became happiness. If Uma could transform like this, imagine what you can do. Start small. One fun chat today. Talk to yourself. Join an app. Message a friend in English. Keep it light. Keep it daily.